are Hannah and Nathan.
And we are at Vanlife Fest.
In our camper van, Claudia.
And in this video we are taking you along with us to Vanlife Festival in Stratford Upon Avon, which is held at the racecourse.
We had the best time at our first ever event like this, and we are lucky enough to be included in the Camp Creators section. We were even asked to be part of the Micro Camper Talk. I know, we can't believe it either.
From all things vans to coaches,
from having an absolute blast with our new van life friends to coping with a Sunday morning hangover.
We cover it all in this manic weekend. So let's take you back to the beginning of it all. Hi mate.
Sorry, I've been told not to let you in.
So we've just pulled up to enter the Vanlife Festival, and the guy, the marshal, was like, "You've caused me a lot of problems, you have. Caused me a lot of problems." I was like, oh my god, what have we done? Have we arrived too late? But turns out
he watches the vlog and he's brought a van because he's seen our van build.
Yeah, he's built a Caddy He's bought a Caddy Maxi because of Claudia.
Go on girl.
Go on.
Out of all the vans we've seen so far, it's this one here. This one there, that's the one we need. Now to be fair, we've just picked Claudia up yesterday from being fixed, so hopefully.
You should be a good girl this weekend.
Third time lucky.
Yeah, well, we're not driving anywhere, so.
Part of Camp Creator.
Camp Creator.
So we are here all parked up for the weekend, and we've just met Steve and Phil. They've welcomed us in, haven't they?
Oh yeah, such lovely chaps. Yeah, made us feel very welcome, haven't
they? Yeah.
We're just a little fish in a big pond.
We are, that's what we are. So yeah, we're just gonna set up now.
Yeah, let's do it. Right, so we're finally all set up. Had a few people come and chat to us. It's been nice, hasn't it? Very welcoming.
Very welcoming.
And it's time for a beer. Now's driveway. So we've been here 2 hours now and we've managed to walk about 100 metres, but we're confident now we're going to make it in and have a quick look around.
Yeah.
So let's go and have a bit of an explore, see what's out and about, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
When you've got the bed out but you need something from under the bed.
Pull the cushion up.
Right guys, so we didn't get to film much tonight because we was busy talking and then it was dark and we're done in now, so we're going to go to bed, but we'll get lots of footage tomorrow, won't we?
Yeah, we will, for sure.
It's going to be full on. Right, night guys.
Night.
So I don't know why we're up so early, but everyone else seems to be in bed, so we think it's a perfect time to go and try the showers out.
Yeah, let's go and try them out before everyone gets there.
Yeah. Did not expect to see that.
So we was going for a shower, but somebody wants to have a play around with the drone.
Yeah, this place is like Heathrow for drones. It's like only 8 o'clock and there's about 50 gone up already. Enough faffing now, we will get our act together with this vlog.
2 hours later, after saying that we're going for a shower, we are going for that shower.
Yeah, and then we'll bring you actual Vanlife Festival, starting from 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm so excited, I just feel so happy right now.
Yeah, it's epic, everyone's so friendly, it's why the video's just a bit of a mess at the minute.
Yeah. We'll make it work.
We'll do something. While I'm waiting for the boss, I'd better get breakfast on, keep her happy.
Oh, thanks mate, you are a good un. Let's go to our first seminar of the weekend.
Good morning. Morning. Welcome to Camp Creator 2022.
So we've just got our little Camp Creator QR code from Steve and we're going to put it on Claudia. Feels really special, doesn't it?
It does.
There we go. So it's been an absolute crazy day so far here at Vanlife Festival, hasn't it?
Yeah, I can't believe it's 2 o'clock already, it's gone so quick.
I know, yeah, thank you guys for coming over and having a chat to us, we've really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's been great meeting some of you guys and putting a face to all the lovely comments you give us.
Yeah, definitely. Vaughn's come to say hello to us.
Hello guys.
Yeah, he's been leaving us lots of lovely comments, haven't you, on our videos, and we do really appreciate it.
Yeah, it's been very interesting.
Yeah.
Talking about our old haunts.
Yeah, yeah, we've had a good catch up, haven't we?
Yeah, we've had a lot in common actually. That
Yeah.
we weren't sure about.
Yeah, it's been really lovely to meet you as well.
Yeah.
We've got Richard here, another one of our subscribers. We just had a good catch up, haven't we? And a nice chat.
Nice.
Yeah, it's been really good to meet you.
Nice to meet you both.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your kind comments.
Yeah,
Obviously.
thank
You're welcome.
you. Thanks for you guys who've let us put you in our video as well.
Yeah, cheers guys. And at some point this weekend we will go and have a look around some vans.
Yeah, we will.
I need that now. All that people in. Right guys, we're going to have a look ourselves and take you guys round us. We're finally going to go and see some more vans now.
Yeah, Claudia's had a lot of attention, hasn't she, today?
She has. It's been overwhelming really.
Yeah, you sexy girl.
Oh, this place is huge.
It is absolutely massive. We haven't even scraped the tip of the iceberg yet.
No. Oh, I can see another blue caddy.
Oh, I can see another blue caddy.
Hannah wants to have a look in the coach.
Wow, it's huge.
So maybe.
Wow, how long did it take you to do this now?
4 years.
4 years. So the coach that we was walking towards, this is inside, and Barbara has just given us a tour, haven't you?
I
And
have.
It's been absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. You and your husband have done an amazing job.
Thank you very much.
Have.
Thank you. It's been lovely to have you visit, and
Aw.
I feel quite honoured that people are interested enough to
Yeah.
go look.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
I'll show you. Look, there's the little original, right up there.
Showings,
Wow.
That's what it looked like.
Coach,
Yeah.
Look at that.
I bought him that.
Oh, amazing. Absolutely amazing.
That's what it looked like when we started.
Oh.
Bit different now.
Yeah.
I'll have to take a picture of the outside.
Well
Yeah,
done.
no, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh,
Machine.
cool. Oh, there's a washing machine. Oh gosh. Just with Philip as well, and he's the man behind all the magic, aren't you? You've done such an amazing job.
No magic, it's madness.
It is madness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very comfortable madness.
No, honestly, it's brilliant and never seen anything like it, so well done. Yeah.
But I've got to get that one working
Yeah.
next.
Yeah, this is what he keeps in the boot.
That goes in the boot. It's about the same size as Claudia. I think I've just found my idea of a dream van.
Yeah, if he's having a bigger van, that's the one Hannah would
Yeah,
buy.
Alice in Wonderland, absolutely incredible inside, and Kirsty and John are lovely, wasn't they?
Yeah, the van is brilliant. It's very unique, absolutely brilliant.
Very.
Let's just go and see what Hannah's doing. For a change.
Got visitors.
We've got visitors coming.
We are. India the caddy, Jules and Lee are coming shortly.
Ooh.
So we are with Jules and Lee just over there. Give us a wave. This is Indy. How beautiful is she?
Stunning.
Absolutely. Wow. Absolutely lovely. So yeah, we've just had a fab little chat and that, haven't we, with Jules and Lee?
Yeah, it is crazy because obviously you speak to these people on Instagram, YouTube,
Yeah.
whatever, and then talking for way over an hour, and it's as if like we're just best mates.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you guys are so
Lovely
cool.
people.
Yeah, lovely people you are.
And we'll catch up with you later
Yeah.
at the bar.
Yeah, at the party tent.
Yeah, let's go! You know, when you're at a festival, when they empty the toilets, when you're getting food, stinky. It's been a crazy day, and we've been fed, getting watered, and we're just having a bit of time to ourselves. Yeah,
To just recuperate before we go back out again. Yeah, first.
yeah, yamas.
Yamas. So there's been an announcement on the Facebook group, hasn't there, that
Explore van that's parked opposite us has hit 10,000 subscribers, so we're just going to go over, say congratulations, yamas, and hello. Friends.
that didn't sound weird at all.
So Vanlife Fest, it needs to be a week, not a weekend.
Yeah, it does. We're having such a good time, and we're just going back out to meet Jules and Lee at the party tent, and we've just had a nice chat, haven't we, with Adventures.
Getting to know Adventures,
Yeah,
such a
he's
great bloke.
amazing.
Yeah, so we're going to go to the party tent, and we're armed with our liquids.
Sorted.
Yeah, we'll see you there. Where's a good place to meet them then? By the toilets.
Them toilets absolutely reek. I forgot what festival smells like. It's been that long.
Are you whining again?
Unfortunately, good whining though. This is good whining. There you are.
Come on.
We're back with Indy the Caddy, aren't we? Jules and Lee, and it's been awesome, hasn't it?
Yeah, we've had a great day.
Yeah, we've had a really good time, haven't
Great
we?
night, and to top it off, Stone Roses.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks guys for a brilliant night.
No worries.
Yeah.
Bit fun.
Awesome. It's 1:10 in the morning now. We've just had a bit of a sesh at Indy the Caddy, which has been absolutely fab. But we have been awake since about 5:30. So we are absolutely shattered, and the bed's not even down either. So we've got to put the bed down, haven't we, when we get back.
Yawn. Good morning. Woke up, lost a sock, but Hannah should be out there popping the coffee.
Yeah.
A little bit.
I need breakfast and coffee.
We're up and ready a bit later than normal today, aren't we?
Bit of a slow morning, isn't it, today?
Yeah, very slow. But yeah, we're up, we're ready. It's going to a seminar, but it's a busy day for us. Got a little talk later at 2 o'clock, haven't we?
Yeah, we've never done a talk in front of anybody before, so...
Yeah, but like we always say, life is done well, or it'll be a disaster. We'll see. Right, let's go.
Yeah, we're here with Graham, and this is his lovely caddy. And believe it or not, Graham was already halfway there. He already had a caddy, and he watched our video on YouTube and decided to go for the conversion, didn't you?
I did, yeah.
And you've done such an amazing job.
Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic job. Well done.
Well, it's because of you two, so
Oh.
thanks to you two.
Oh, thank you so much, and we really appreciate your nice comments as well that you leave on our channel. Yeah, thank you.
Well, it's a very good channel to watch, and I really enjoyed it every time.
Oh, thanks, Graham.
Cheers. So we can't quite believe how busy we are this weekend.
Yeah, so busy.
Yeah, but we've managed to grab some lunch and we're going back to the van now for a few hours.
Yeah, if this doesn't cure a hangover, I don't know what will.
So we've opened Claudia up a bit, and we've even got Bruno featuring.
There he is. There you go. Have a nice drinky.
Having a little shower. More than us, isn't he?
More than us today, yeah. And after we had spoken with you lovely people, listened to your awesome stories and took on board your great travel advice,
The hangover was soon forgotten about, and for us, it was time to head over to the Camp Creator tent for yet more talking.
so our cute little macrame that Jules made us from tying the knot just up there, it's really cute, isn't it?
Yeah, that's lovely. Goes well with Claudia.
It does perfectly with Claudia. It's lovely. Heading over to the Camp Creator tent now because we're on doing a talk with Adventures and Brendan Explores at 2 o'clock. It's 10 to 2 now, so we need a quick nervous wee, and then we'll see how we get on.
Yeah, not sure what it's all about, but we'll see.
Yeah,
we'll get through it.
Yeah, we'll wing it.
Yeah, we'll do it.
So yeah, we made it through our first little talk, didn't we, in the Camp Creators tent?
Yeah, it was interesting. Hope it come out all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had a fantastic weekend and a bit tired now, so it's time to pack away.
Yeah, we are tired now. It's been a lot of talking and that, hasn't it? But it's been brilliant. We've had a real good weekend at Vanlife Festival, and yeah, we will for sure be coming to one again, won't we?
Yeah, hopefully we'll come back.
Yeah.
Join us next time when we are reunited with the other half of Team Extreme for a wet weekend in Wales where nothing seems to go right.
I have no words. The knife was flying it and flew into those trees up there. We will see you guys in 3 weeks from now.
Bye.
Bye.